All right, so here's our experiment. We got one. We're gonna microwave some Peeps. One's inside of an egg. The other one's out in the open. Wendy, hit the lights. Using our GE Sensomatic microwave. And of course, where's Mom? She's
Taking a nap.
taking a nap. Otherwise,
We'd be in so much trouble.
I'd say 3 minutes of it. Well, let's do 6 minutes.
Wendy.
Trying to short taping. Okay, so Wendy, can you observe any differences yet?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, look at what happened to the yellow
I
egg.
know.
It's squirting out of the yellow egg.
That's one difference.
Oh wow, it's coming out kind of like...
Poop. Or mush. Mashed potatoes.
Can
And then the pink ones.
Wait.
The pink ones getting humongous.
Well, what they do is they have the little holes in the eggs to keep kids from choking on them. Oh, please don't come off the paper plate. I'll be in so much trouble if that gets into the on the microwave. Okay, I think it's done. Turn the light on.
8.
Okay.
Now let's observe our science.
Whoops.
Look what happened to you.
Wow, they got really big. Man, it squirted out all the holes. That is awesome.
It's only
Now,
cool.
gotta be careful. This stuff probably gets a little hot.
And there's one peep left.
Wendy, maybe we
Look,
can-
there's hardly any peep left in the egg. He came out, almost completely came out the little holes at the ends.
Wow.
Cool.